It all began back in the middle of the 80s when my father came up with the idea of introducing a shock absorber in a hydronic system. FlowCon furthermore invented and introduced the pressure-independent control valves in 1994, which have since gained increasingly popular and are widely used in today's HVAC systems. Today, FlowCon is still a family-owned company represented in over 60 countries on 5 continents, running more than 10 million dynamic and pressure-independent control valves, some of which being operational for more than 25 years. I think that part of our success is due to the fact that we reinvest more than 5% of our turnover in R&D. We design all of our products in SolidWorks, providing 3D flow and stress simulations, and we test rigidly in 2 separate laboratories prior to product release. The actual products are only a part of it though. Equally important is our understanding of the customer's need and the fact that our sales personnel are all mechanical engineers, educated and trained to analyze and solve all kinds of problems in any kind of HVAC system, helping engineers, contractors and distributors making HVAC systems successful. Being a pioneer and at the same time remaining a market leader naturally calls for high standard in all activities. Innovation, quality and availability are key values in FlowCon. And all our products are therefore tested and recorded in accordance to our ISO 9001 certification prior to shipping. This includes material testing, sub-component testing, as well as outgoing test of the finished product. We continuously carry over 10 million euros worth of inventory at all times. I think that the reason why valves and knowledge from FlowCon International are used all over the world is because we really care about the flow in hydronic systems and the consequences occurring every time something is changed.